guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are testing out the NYX brow glue. And I know, drugstore product, who is she? Because if you guys have seen my last video, I said I do not use drugstore and I explained why I don't use drugstore. But I went to the drugstore today and I saw this, and when I saw brow glue, it called my name. I was like, okay, brow glue, that sounds intense. So today I'm going to be testing this out. And I'm going to be showing you guys if it's worth your money, and I'm going to be comparing it to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Wax that I actually have tried before. So I'm going to be comparing both of them, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, if it's worth your money, give you guys the real tea. We're going to see if this is the official dupe. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. We are almost at 2K, and I know to some people it's not a lot, but to me, it is a big deal. So thank you guys so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, and let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I have nothing in my brows. They're completely bare because I want to try it on clean brows, and I'm also going to try it with like a filled brow to see what I like better. But first, for first impression, I want to try it on a clean brow. So totally clean, absolutely nothing in my brows right now. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. It's so small. I feel like I can carry this in my pocket. Like, it's so tiny. So on here, it says it's non-sticky. So definitely going to be testing that to see if it's sticky, but it says it's non-sticky, instant brow styler. It's called the brow glue. The brow glue is giving me really high expectations because if you're saying it's glue, I feel like it's about to stay all day. And on here it says style brow hairs and set into place, non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise spoolie for easy application. Okay, and this was $11.99 Canadian, so super affordable, and the size of it is 5 grams. So in comparison to the ABH brow gel or the ABH brow freeze, the brow freeze is 8 grams, so it's a little bit smaller. But comparison in price, this one is $11.99 Canadian, whereas this one was, I think it was 30 Canadian. I don't remember. I'll insert it right here because I don't remember. So packaging, super cute, super small. It's just like a little baby brow gel. So cute, and I love that it's a spoolie. You can see that it's a spoolie, so super easy because with the brow wax, you have to use a spoolie, so you have to buy a spoolie, whereas this, it's like all in one. You can just see by pulling it out. Like, do you see that goop? She looks thick. Like, she looks real thick, so I'm a little scared. But she looks real thick, like real sticky. This literally looks just like glue. Wow. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm going to do one brow with the NYX, and then I'm going to do the other brow with the ABH Brow Freeze because I want to see the difference. I want to see if the results look different. We want to know the real tea here. So I'm going to start brushing out my brow just to make sure that there's no makeup on it from my foundation. So I'm going to just go right ahead. So you can see it is transparent. Clear, you don't see anything. It does feel thick, but not uncomfortably thick. You can already see the difference. Wow. Guys, are you seeing this right now? So that is what it looks like, and I know you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. It's really giving that fluffy look. It's really nice. It's transparent, like it said. I'm going to give it a few seconds before I tell you if it's sticky or not, because right now it's obviously wet, so it's going to be a little sticky. So I'm going to give that a second, but so far so good. So now let's try the ABH Brow Wax on the other brow and see if we notice a difference. If you guys haven't seen my review on the ABH Brow Wax, definitely check it out, because I did do that recently. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on top. I feel like I look so different with no brows. It feels so weird. Like, they look so sparse because your girl got thin brows. Thin brow life. Wasn't blessed with thick brows, unfortunately. So first thing I'm going to say is obviously you see the downfall that with ABH you have to purchase a spoolie unless you already have one. But you obviously have to purchase like a brush with a spoolie. Whereas the NYX one, it's all in one. It is definitely half the price with NYX, so you're saving like 50% of your money, and you want to save your coin, so you're definitely saving money. Then I'm going to go ahead and now brush it out with my spoolie. Do you see that lift? You see that lift. So you can already see that the ABH one holds it a little bit more in place. Like you can see these ones are a little bit more stuck in place compared to this one. So let's go back to the NYX one. You can see that the fluff is there, but not as much as it was before. You can see it kind of fell back into place, which I feel like I always struggle with my brows personally. The ABH one is like the only one that stays up. So as you can see, it's staying up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna laminate it because that's what you're supposed to do. And then I'm gonna just brush it out a little bit. You know what, I'm not gonna give up on NYX yet. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna go back in with another coat. Maybe I didn't put enough. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush through it again. It's definitely giving a fluff. You can see that there is a fluff, very similar to the ABH one, but my whole thing is that I feel like it's not staying as much as the ABH one, but you know what? We're gonna give it another try. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to laminate this one. Okay, it works. Then I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna just brush it through. And side note, I know that this brow style is not for everybody. I know some people don't like the fluffy brow at all, but I personally do like it on certain occasions. Not all the time, but I do like it. So personally, I'm here for it because if I can laminate my brows at home and I don't have to go to a salon to laminate them, I'm all for it. Okay, so now that I laminated the NYX one, now I can see that it's actually staying in place and they look identical. So I think I messed up when I didn't laminate it the first time. I think that's why it kind of fell. But now she is holding on. Like she is really holding on and it looks really good. I feel like they look identical. If I didn't tell you which one was NYX and which one was ABH, you would never know. Like they look identical. So I'm gonna give it a few seconds to like dry down so then we can test out how it stays and how sticky it really is. So moment of truth, I've had it on for a while now and guys, I'm still not seeing a difference. Are you seeing a difference? Because I am still not seeing one and I've had it on for a while. I'm noticing that they look identical. Like that's literally all I'm noticing. Now the way it feels, the ABH one is very soft. It's firm, but it's soft. It's not like crispy, crunchy, hard, nothing, but it still feels very secure. Like it's secure. Like your brows are not going nowhere. Now the NYX one, it feels identical. It doesn't feel hard. It doesn't feel sticky. It's very soft. So honestly, I don't feel a difference. Wow. I think we're onto something here. I really think we're onto something. I'm shook at the fact that this is a drugstore product and it's $11.99 and it's giving me the exact same results as my ABH wax. I'm shook. So that is the end of my review. As you can see, this NYX brow glue really came through. I approve of it. I think this is something worth getting. It's only $11.99 Canadian. It was like $12 and something cents. Super affordable. And not to say that the ABH one is bad because I've told you guys I love this, but at half the price and giving me the exact same results, I'm here for this. So I definitely recommend you guys pick this up. I think it's totally, totally worth it, especially because it has a spoolie. Like this right here is what sells me. I can just, you know, go in real quick and just give a little brush. I really, really like this. So I definitely recommend you guys pick this up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you guys tried this? Do you guys have another brow wax you guys prefer? Because so far I've had both of these and girl, both of them are really, really good. But definitely pick this up whenever you go to your drugstore because this is it. So I don't think I have anything more to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribed and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.